Morning guys. Well, this is just a quick video. I saw this on RT last night. I've silenced it, but it's this construction site in Turkey in a place called Burj where they've built hundreds of these Disney castles, and for tycoons from the Gulf allegedly, but now it's gone bankrupt, people have pulled out and nobody wants to buy them. And they're identical. There's about nearly 1,000 of the things, and they're just all sort of like stuck out in the middle of nowhere. So I was watching it through last night, and I noticed that was a very quick clip, and you keep missing it. Here, I noticed that a lot of them are a lot lower than others. I've got some better pictures than this. I just keep pausing it. This is one that's been finished. So this is one that's sort of like basic. And then they put these like pinnacle things on and cement them and put balustrade balconies on and make them like that. But they're like this. And there's hundreds of this. It's just ridiculous. Right, this is a clip. See, that's really quick one. Here. See, this one is still quite low here underneath. You see? The windows, 1, 2, and then mud. Anyway, I found another clip. This is a constructional update from the actual people who build it. This was from last year. Prestige Life Estate. Very affordable prices and convenient payment plan. So a year ago they were quite confident it was going to get built, but here again, you can see these here. They're still down under, and these here, they get like this black lower bit once they get down far enough, and then they can build steps and stuff. But while they're still like this, they've got to be dug out more. I'll go back to RT because there's, oh yeah, hang on, let me show you this. Pause, damn you. What are these pyramids? Let's put the screen up. Here, what are these pyramidal structures here? See a bit closer here now as well, these here. And then when they're done, they're all freestanding and somewhat taller than this lot here. And what's this in the middle? This mound. Hang on. Let's go back. This here. These have all been finished. Well, they're nearly finished here. This one's got its black stuff. This one is still not got all its black stuff out from underneath. They have. That one's really been dug out there. Those haven't. Hang on. This one here. Not so much these. Do you see what I mean? These have all been really up and put up, and they haven't. Still digging them out. Unless they're building them from the bottom up. It's lots of construction stuff, no building materials, just ladders, and this is actually from the time of building. There's no bricks or anything like that, there's just lorries going around. Here, look. So they just look like these sort of square buildings with these slanted windows on the roofs and these round towers and a smaller square sort of watchtower type thing, but there's just lots of them. Lots of them. I don't know if they were dug out, if they are constructing them, but if they are, it's a strange way to do it. And oh my god, I mean, tycoons buying these. This is quite good, this is a good one. That one's been dug out. These are still under. Look how deep that one's under. Look, can you see what I mean? I wonder how deep they were under, if they were just sort of sticking out for a while. And makes me think of my estate, because I think my estate was a similar thing to this. It was like there. But what were they? That's what they would have looked like, I guess. Strange, isn't it? But yeah, look, this one here. And I found it on Google Earth by chance. I knew that it was Burj Al Babas, and I just sort of mooched around. So if you want to look, it's 40 by 46 north, 31 by 21 east, and it won't let me in. But there's that strange construction plant here that's there as well, which you can see on the RT video. But yeah, it's just a quick video because it piqued my interest, guys. You know, all these houses, it reminded me of the abandoned cities in China. All these weird houses, all built for these supposed Gulf tycoons who are all going to come. There's all circles and things in here. And buy them. But what are they? Thanks for watching.